What's going on, guys? I can't even cross-post to Discord today because Discord is down. Anyways, hope you guys are doing good. If you're listening to this on the recorded version, I appreciate you. Hope you guys are doing well. We're just gonna do a little bit of job hunting. So you guys tell me some job kind of niches that you want. We'll look them up, see if we can find them. I gotta get to 100K by July 17th, which is looking more and more unlikely. Morning, Josh. Buenos dias, other Josh. Nick, what up, man? T, what's up, dude? How's your Monday? Hope you guys enjoy. I like Mondays most of the time. Jennifer, what's up? Light Dark Snake, what's up? None of you guys got work? Pierre. Did I say that right? Probably not. Greetings from Belgium. Bonjour. Can you try Cyber Optimist? What? Is that a Transformer? Can you do New Hampshire? So it's not location. It's more of like give me like a title that you want. Even though like a title doesn't mean anything, right? But give me a skill set that you want. I'm a WordPress developer and looking for a job. Machine learning engineer. That's going to be difficult, and it's not my specialty, but I'll do it for you, Nick. Jesse, what's up? Welcome aboard. Welcome to the stream, guys. Whole week off to figure out truffle. Oh, nice. Banker here about to kick the bank and grab the old knife. Can you do software engineer in Vermont? Checking if I have a shot. I don't know if you're gonna find. What you need to look for instead of that is any places with relocation or H-1B and H-1B visas. What's your opinion about WordPress? I like WordPress. My whole site is built on WordPress because it's great for people that are one-man bands. All right, machine learning engineer. We'll find some of those jobs. We'll research some jobs, and we'll take a look. Also, I don't know if Vermont has like this huge tech scene. Just saying. Let me find it before I share the screen here. Gustavo, hola, buenos dias. Welcome everybody. I'm probably just alt-tabbed in the background, have some viewers. That'd be my guess. Can you stream on Twitch and YouTube with two different camera angles? I can't do Twitch and YouTube at the same time anymore. I had affiliate on Twitch, so if you stream on both and you have affiliate on Twitch, Twitch will kick you off and ban you. Jose, what up, dude? Nice side gig, just stream and review stuff for money. It's not stream and review stuff for money, and that doesn't happen too often. It happened like twice, but also it's not really a side gig. It's my dad's rent. So, cool. If I was pocketing all that, that'd be nice. But nope, it is my dad's rent on the 1st. So, all right, electrical software engineer, machine learning engineer. Let's research this company, my man. Sumo Dev, good morning. I know a lot of people have gotten jobs in Vermont in the last year. I don't know much about Vermont. Maybe there's a tech scene. Maybe it's the hidden gem, John. Maybe we don't know about it. Maybe we should dive into it. We'll do that. One second. All right, here we go. Here's let's see, software developer, machine learning engineer, due to security clearance. All right, so you're not a U.S. citizen. Rip this job for you. You're gonna be when it says due to security clearance requirements, that means that this is somehow going to be related to the U.S. government. So wouldn't worry too much here if you're in the U.S. But if you're out of the U.S., this job's off limits. That's just how it works. You probably So preferred qualifications. I feel like this should be under this line, but computer science, engineering, blah, blah, blah. familiarity with machine learning algorithms. So this is not entry level at all. Like it doesn't. This is expecting you to know some stuff. But hey, if you look up these and you come to the interview and you talk about these, it could be good. Going to my first junior dev mentorship meetup tonight. Any questions come to mind that I should ask my mentor? I'm not super sure. No, but I know those things. Okay. Manda technology. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look into this. Manda tech. Oh, Manada. Why can't I talk? Geez, what a list. They were all preferred. Oh my, what the heck? Is this AOL Instant Messenger right now? What? So what do we do here? This is one of those websites that was made by somebody that doesn't really know what they're making. We ensure that the customer is always center focused throughout our processes. Well, what processes? What are we doing here? What is experience, technology, and service? You have never experienced before. What does that mean? Is this like a ISP? Commercial, business intelligence, logistic, residential. What is it? I don't understand. This is like business jargon where we don't actually know what this company does. Why doesn't it just say we provide internet? Okay, services. Oh no. Possibilities. What the hell does this even mean? All right, so this company is very, very vague, but it also looks like a small company. Contact. Here you go, right here. Here's the number that you would need to be calling. Right here. Customer support and corporate. Or you just call them up and be like, here. You want to do it? Should we call them? You think they're open? I'm going to tell them I had a problem with the application on Indeed, and we'll see what they did there. Should we do it? We'll just tell them we couldn't apply on Indeed, and it broke, and we're looking for a way to apply. So let's do it. This is what you gotta finagle. You gotta hit them with that finesse. The phone, it's not ringing. Do you always recommend calling if you can? Hell yeah. Always. Okay, so corporate didn't work. Let's call customer support. 949-268-9112. Okay. Here we go, boys.
Hi, this is Chantel from Manada, the installation company for Best Buy. How can I help you?
Hey, so this is probably the wrong number to call, but you guys have a job opening available, and I can't actually apply to it. Is there anyone else that I could maybe call about this and talk to them about it?
I'm sorry, what do you mean?
So for this company, there's a job opening available, but I can't actually apply to it online. So I was wondering if there's anyone I could talk to about it. I know you guys are customer support, but I think what you're doing is really cool.
I'm sorry, you're calling for a job?
I'm not calling for a job, but I tried to apply to it.
Applying for a job?
Well, I can't do it. The website's broken. It won't let me. So
Okay. Sorry, may I know who I'm speaking with and what company are you applying for?
Manada Tech, I think. This is the number, right? So I went online and I applied to the job, but I can't do it. It just says this application cannot be sent, and then I think what you're doing is cool, so I looked up a contact number and decided to call. I know this is not probably what you do, so thanks for taking my call, but is there anyone I could email about this job specifically, since I can't apply online?
I see. Actually, to be honest, I'm not also sure, but you can try to check online about the application.
But that's what I did. It says that it won't send. So, is there like a manager I could email about this job? It's called software developer, machine learning engineer, Monada Technology.
I apologize, but I'm not allowed to give any information of the managers or maybe the email. It should be from the website of Monada.
I gotcha. Okay. All right.
I'll just try to. I'm sorry.
Yeah. No worries. No worries. Just
Sorry.
calling to check in. Thank you. I appreciate your time.
Okay. Just kindly check the website that we have. Okay.
That's what I'll send a contact message on the email since it's broken. But okay, sounds good.
Sorry.
All right.
It's
Thanks.
okay. So, is there anything else I can help you with?
No, we're good.
Okay. Thank you for calling. Have a good day.
All right. Bye.
Goodbye.
So she's playing hardball there, playing real hardball with me. Well, that was a little uneventful chat. I tried to finagle. All right. Anyways, we tried that job. That was machine learning engineer. So, anyways, always call if you can. This just happened to be someone that obviously is not in the United States, would be my guess. So, yeah, you could always leave a message here and just be like, hi, I tried to apply online, but I couldn't do it. You gotta, I don't know, you gotta reach down there, grab your balls, and just make that phone call. It's not that big of a deal. It's kind of like freelancing, you know? It's a little awkward for everybody because they're like, whatever. Let's see. Can I talk to a supervisor? Yeah, that's what I said. Is there a manager I can email or talk to? Oh, no, I can't give any of that info. All right. Next. You're 18 from the UK. What pathway do you think I should go? University? Negative. Boot camp? Yeah, I'd go to Lambda School. Could you do Memphis, Tennessee? So it's not really about location. It's more about like job set of skills for this stream. It's not going to be like I'm going to go to this place and do this. Let's just look up what kind of job you want to do, and then we'll look up companies rather than location. Because I mean, you can do this. You can come in here and you can type that in there, but hit me with some skills like front end if you want to do that, or design, or something that you want to do. Title is irrelevant in my. I reached my 100 goals, 100 subs. Nice, dude. Congratulations. You're welcome. Do desktop software developer. Yeah, front end. Can I get a little bit more specific? Hit me with a skill set that you'd like to use. Should I take university if it's paid by the state? No, I don't really think so. I think it's too much time, and you're still going to be sitting there learning a bunch of shit you don't use. Do I think the field is oversaturated? It's oversaturated with a bunch of people who don't know how to code that say that they can, mainly. Full stack, please. Hit me with like a set of skills. Give me with like, I want to do front end JavaScript or front end Laravel view pages, This is a new kind of stream. Nice. I guess. Probably the realist software channel. Keep it up. Yeah, I'm just trying to help you guys get jobs so that you can do it yourself later, or maybe you want to stay at your job. Is it okay to lie about your experience? No, you should not lie about your experience. Don't be like, I got 10 years experience. Don't say that in the interview, but if it's a stupid checkbox on the screen, maybe check the box. Because the person interviewing you didn't make that checkbox. They're going to know. There's a comment on that video I made that's like, well, I said I had 8 years experience and then I got the job and then they fired me. Well, yeah, they're going to fire you, dude. Don't take an 8-year experience job if you somehow manage to get past that. Like, you're going to get fired. React Native, bruh. Lauriness. You're probably from Latvia. That's a Latvian name. Because I had a student with your name. Product manager. Yeah, I haven't done product manager in a while. Let's do that. Product manager. Lithuania. Shit. That was the one. Lithuania. That's what I meant to say. Walker Edison. Technology product manager. I don't know. I need a name. I need my name to be like. I'm gonna start telling them my name is Theodore because I don't want them to Google this. Hours are 8 to 5, Monday to Friday. Overtime is needed. Okay, so here we go. This bottom portion: experience, Salt Lake City, paid time off, blah 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 blah. Managing multiple projects for how do you? Okay. Bachelor's preferred. So these are all preferred. If I click apply now and I type in my name, hold on. I don't know if my phone number is going to autofill. So just a sec. Theodore. What is my email? Um, 867-5309 385. All right. Resume. I don't want to. How much years should I learn C++ to find a work? Finding work is about you, not about years you spend to do it. I can't, like, this is so dumb. I don't want to apply. Okay. Maybe I should make a fake resume and submit. Live vid on the way to work. Zuby, buenos dias, welcome to the stream. All right, so I'm just going to keep talking about this thing because I don't feel like changing that right now. Call more people. I want to see you use your speech skills. Speech skill level up. Well, the thing is, all right, let's do it. Well, let's just Google Walker Edison. Let's see if they're open. But it's 7:25 here, so they're probably not open. I mean, you can see it says hours are 8 to 5. I'm going to tell them my name is Theodore, and your Indeed post is not letting me apply to it. I'm not sure why, blah, blah, blah. Maybe it's being DDoS or something. I don't know. Let's figure out a way to call in and skip this bullshit, you know? Like, this is what it's about. How much you going to hustle? Live hustle on a stream here. Can you do Mississippi? It's not really about location. John, what's up, man? All right, so it opens at 8. We'll call this place at 8. I'll leave this tab open. So we got what? 26 minutes? Let's look for somewhere else. Maybe we should do somewhere on the East Coast. Let's see. Let's do somewhere on the East Coast. Vermont, maybe? Can you apply for listings asking 3 years experience if you have 0? Yes, you can apply for anything that says, okay, this is like when you start to push it here is when it says like development 9 years experience, and then in this little thing here it says required, and you're gonna get a code test that's like 9 years experience. It's like, like that's not gonna work. When I search for a job, how old should the job post be max? Okay, so if it's 30 plus days, they're a picky company. They're a picky ass company. 30 plus days means that they're just open to application. You ever went to apply for a job and they're like, well, we're not currently hiring, but we're taking open applications. 30 plus days, that's what that shit means. That means they're being very, very picky. So unless you stand out, they're probably not going to respond. 52K is really low. You're right. Maybe let's look on their website here. Contact us. Let's see if we can find, well, we already have their number. That's not a big deal. But let's see if we can find their careers. God, what if these people want me to come in for an interview? So they don't have a careers page? Why don't you have a careers page? This is a tiny company, dude. This is a tiny little company. All right, whatever. Let's just do front end, and then I don't know. So give me some East Coast here. Is there a way to become a product manager without tons of experience? I'm 19. The best way to become a product manager that's actually good is to like work as a dev, because then you know what works and what doesn't work. The people that go straight from project manager out of high school and college and all that, they don't know what they're doing. They never worked as a dev, so they can just give unrealistic expectations all the time. Richmond, Virginia. All right, we have Virginia takes the cake. Detroit is not East Coast. I'm doing East Coast so that they're probably open. It's 9:30 there. All right, Novetta front end software engineer. All right, let's see. AWS. Active top secret clearance required. Okay, well, rip that job. Not even gonna discuss that. Hi Josh, what's up, man? Welcome aboard, all the viewers. Here, let me just say F to everybody. Pay respects to the lurkers. Do you think you can land a job right after Code Bootcamp? Yeah, of course you can. That's what I did. That's what lots of people do. How to apply it to an H-1B sponsor? Apply to a job that offers an H-1B sponsor. You can find that on Stack. I think there's an earthquake happening right now. All my shit is shaking. Maybe I'm just insane. A free VPS. Why is that? Okay. Let's see. Virginia Beach. In Motion Hosting. See if we can find this company. All right. Well, what should my name be when I apply, guys? Like, I'm thinking Theodore. Theodore was like my alter ego when I was a little kid. For some reason, I really like that name. I'd like to see a job hunt for machine learning. Casper, we did machine learning like 2 seconds ago, and that's when I called. Hi, I'm new here. Juan, buenos dias, bienvenidos to the stream. Harry, what up? Maxwell, Theodore Finn, Phil. Do I look like a Phil? What's the minimum salary? You gotta look it up, but I would say like 45. Is Indeed a good site? I found my last job on Indeed. Job before that was Stack Overflow. Job before that was Stack Overflow. Job before that was Stack Overflow. Oh, Indeed, actually. Job before that was AngelList. F is to pay respects to all the people lurking that don't actually chat. You know, there are some phone companies that are into defrauding people. What? No, don't mess with phone companies, dude. Theodore Prime. Should I be... Zaphod Bibelbrox. Maybe I should be Maxwell Gilliams. Or what is it? Maybe let's like some Key and Peele names. What should I be? Jamarson, Lamarson, Javar? I don't know. You guys seen the Key and Peele skit, right? I'll be somebody from there. John Doe. Megatron Skittle. Arthur Dent. Jamal Johnson. How do you handle eye fatigue? Blue light filters, maybe? I don't have eye fatigue. I can't actually see. Hingle McCringleberry. Oh, dude, they'll definitely get that one. AA Ron. Jay Quellen. Is there a Jay Quellen? Peter Pan. I like Arthur Dent. I think Arthur Dent sounds the most programming. Rajesh. I'm gonna be... I don't know. Give me an Indian name. Like, what's a really good... Wendell Sanders. Ooh, Wendell Sanders sounds really programming. I'm gonna open up Notepad. These are all my notes yesterday when I was making that vid. All right. Well, I'll just use a different name. I'm gonna be. Let's try. My name is Rajesh. Arthur Dent. Wendell Sanders. Bend over. Maybe why not just be Sharon Peters at that point? Or Mike Hunt. Varjesh. I don't know. Raja. Vishnu. All right. All right, I think we're good. I'm trying to get some different ethnicities in here, right? Because I don't want it to matter. Don't be like, well, you just picked a white dude name. Rodrigo? All right. Why do you want... I don't know, dude. We're just using names. I don't want people to think that I'm picking certain names over others, so I want all the names. Why not... Benedict Cumberbatch. Michael Bolton. No, it can't be someone famous. It's got to be close to famous, but maybe not. Wade Wilson. Dinesh Siraj. All right. I think we're good. Let's give InMotion Hosting a call. I will be Arthur Dent first. I'm feeling like an Arthur right now. Basil. Hello, my name is Basil. Should I call him up and be like,
Hello there. I'm looking for a job as a web developer, and I was looking at who worked there. I'm not really interested in the company, but the people that work in there, I really want to work with them.
okay, InMotion Hosting. Okay. Let's see if we can find him. Virginia.
Are there popsicles? How are there popsicles? Is one of the perks at your company popsicles? Because if there isn't, I'll bring them.
Why is that my only skill in life? Why can I not do any other voices? All right. What's the purpose of using an alibi for job hunting? Well, the purpose is that they're going to Google this and they're going to find the stream because that's already happened. Okay? Nikola Testicle. Is there a place we can call this? So we got InMotion Hosting. East Coast. Let's see if we can find this place. They don't want to give me their stuff. 5 days later, and it should work that way. Here we go. There's a phone number. Here's another phone number. All right, we had to friggin'. Here we go. Meet us, Virginia. And what are we calling about? InMotion Hosting. So this is kind of like freelancing, right? I really have no idea what I'm gonna say. Absolutely no idea. It's kind of nerve-wracking for me. So if you guys want to see me nervous, like how you feel when you're applying to like jobs, this is me when I call people, because it's always awkward to call people. So just give me a second to get my IDGAF face on here, and then we'll go. Do it for the Vine kind of attitude. But I'm not trying to bamboozle them, and it feels bad, but I'm trying to help. So like, whatever. My name is Arthur Dent. Let me put my Arthur Dent face on. Hold on, here we go. Arthur Dent, do I look serious? Okay. What is this? We gotta look up. I thought you had a Joe, mate. I haven't had. Oh, had a job? I had a job, but I don't want to work a job. I like doing YouTube and making videos and teaching about code and how to get a job. Full cam? Should we do full cam for this? Okay, yeah, sure. I'm just looking for. All right, full cam. I'm gonna put on my. I'm gonna put on my corporate voice for this. Hello there. I was looking at your front-end developer position. Put on that real corporate voice, because that's what this company looks like. Harvey Dent. I can't be Harvey Dent, dude. That's too obvious. All right. Let's put in the phone number. I'm shaking a little bit. Put in the phone number. I shouldn't be, because I should be outcome independent, right? That's what I say. I don't even want the job. I'm just calling it for you guys. Look, you see this? This is my thumb right now. You can't see it, but it's shaking a little bit. Okay. Here we go.
Thank you for calling InMotion Hosting. We appreciate your business and guarantee your satisfaction. Your call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. If you know your party's extension, please press 9 now. For sales or to confirm the purchase of a new order, please press 1. For technical support, please press 2. For professional web design services, please press 3. For billing and customer service, please press 4. For career opportunities and human resources, please press 5. or business development.
They have a HR?
Manage or build websites? Want to start your own hosting business? Then check out our reseller hosting program. Get free billing software, free domain reseller accounts, free backups, and more. With easy white labeling options, you can build your brand while we take care of the infrastructure. Contact a team member today.
InMotion Hosting.
Hello there. I was looking to apply for a job here, but when I go online to the Indeed.com website, it's not letting me submit my resume, so I decided to look you up and give you a phone call and ask if maybe there's someone I can email directly.
Yes, hold one moment, and I'm going to get you over to our recruitment office, okay?
Sounds great, thank you.
All right, thank you, sure.
Learn more.
The person at extension 1098 is on the phone. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
Hello, my name is Arthur Dent, and I'm looking to apply to this front-end developer position that you have at InMotion Hosting. When I went on Indeed.com to apply, it didn't actually let me submit it, so I really think what you guys are doing is awesome here, and I have a lot of my own websites that I've made. I feel like I really vibe and I match with what you're looking for here, but I couldn't submit, so I decided to look you guys up and give you a call, and maybe we could talk more about this position. I think I'd be a great fit, and I appreciate if you give me a call back. You can just use this number. All right, I hope you have a great week. Thank you. There you go, right? Obviously, I don't want to sound anywhere near the same as what I actually do. So, there you go. Look, see, like, skip this bullshit. Skip this bullshit. Just call them directly. How will we know that they have an HR and recruiter line? Are you kidding me? How much game dev earn a month? I have no idea. Not very much. I made 7 cents. Let's see. They will call you back, though. I mean, hopefully. I said vibe with what you do. I mean, I hope that they don't. Don't say I vibe with what you do. Like, that's not how I'd actually talk. If you guys don't know how I'd actually talk, you know, whatever. He was a paid actor. It was rigged. Just graduated, but I only have level 3 degree. What is a level 3 degree compared to a level 1? How to apply to an H-1B sponsor? You go to a website that offers H-1B sponsors. Hey, I'm a student. Just finished second semester. Is there a job for me that I can work this summer? I'm not a pro. Hey, guess what? You don't have to be a pro. Advice for worrying about fitting in with a company. Don't apply to companies that you don't think you're going to fit in. I resonate with what you're doing. Now, resonate. No one says resonate in real life. I resonate with your values. No, that's bullshit. Try calling in for one of the big 4. Maxwell, don't worry about it, man. Like, don't worry about fitting in too much. Like, if you go and if you're not feeling your, like, my PHP job, right? Like, you get along with people, and then there are some people you just can't read. Like, sometimes I would make a joke, and my boss would, like, laugh, and I'd be like, oh, okay, so he has this kind of humor. And then I'd make a similar joke, and he wouldn't laugh, and he'd be like, yeah. And I'd be like, the fuck? Call Facebook and ask for your data. You guys vibrating to my frequency? Do the big 4. Sure. Why not? You know that's not going to work. Google phone number. There's no phone number. It's not going to happen. You type Google phone number, you get Google Voice. If you call in for Netflix and say, if you call into Netflix and you say, hey, I couldn't apply to this job, they're just going to be like, yeah, that's on your side because we have 4,000 engineers that monitor this shit and it's not down. So, you know, nice try, buddy. So this is not going to work for those companies. Come on, that's too predictable. This doesn't work for... This doesn't, you know... All right, someone give me another state on the East Coast. We got to wait till 8 o'clock. Call about project manager. They have a help desk line, but I don't want to call the help desk and tell the help desk that I can't apply to the job on their website. Help desk is going to be like, oh, well, just try again later. Or, oh, it's probably on your end. Just try again. Like, who are they going to believe? Are they going to believe one guy that says, hey, I can't apply? Or are they going to believe the 1,000 engineers that they have that manage their website? Probably not me, you know? I don't want to call a help desk because there's no lot, like, Louisville. All right, we'll do Louisville. If you guys haven't seen my thing on titles, go watch that video where I talk about your job title. Never look for entry level. Don't look for internships. And you're like, well, why is that? Just I break it down for you in that video. So I always type developer or software. I don't type entry. Sometimes I'll type a niche if I want. Is junior software engineer? Yeah, literally no, it's not. Call Snoop Dogg. Yeah, let's just get his number real quick. This is the Snoop Izzle. How was your Monday Izzle? Mondizzle probably is what he'd say. Front-end web developer, designer, yeah, sure. It's a little low here. A little low on the money, but dealer car search. Wait, I think I work for this company. I don't want to. I think I work for a company that was partnered with this company. Sure. Fun and energetic work environment. That's subjective, but okay. Green campus feel, but we're not actually a green campus. Oh, you guys can't see. Sorry. Right here. Green campus feel. What? Most jobs are asking for SQL, and I don't have experience. Go to SQLbolt.com. Study it. Let's call this place up. No one's going to call back. Don't worry about titles, but don't apply to some. Yeah, you can apply to something that asks for 8 years experience. You can apply to something that asks for 12 years experience. But when you get to the interview and they're like, so do you actually have 8 years experience? Yeah, I'd be like, no, I just wanted to have a conversation about maybe, look, I don't fit the requirements exactly, blah, blah, blah. But you can apply to anything. But don't continue that when you get to the interview. Don't be like, oh, yeah, I have 8 years experience. Like, okay, well, you're going to get a code test. Good luck. And then if somehow you manage to bamboozle everybody and get that job, you're going to work about 3 days and they're going to fire you. Contact. Accounting, sales, customer support, data questions. Should we just give them a call? Let's just give them a call. What is the job I'm looking for? I think it was this one, right? Wait, this one. It's front-end web developer. Oh, this is super easy. Domain names, blah, blah. Okay, so this is like basic. Holy shit. Hold on here. Qualify for this position, you have to be extremely proficient and have 5 years of on-the-job experience. 5 years of on-the-job experience for $40,000 to $45,000 a year. If you accept this, if you think that this is okay, you are getting circle jerked pretty hard here. This is not acceptable. 5 years experience, 40,000. I had no years experience. I got 50,000. Get out of here, garbage ass company. But hey, let's apply to it because it's garbage ass. Okay, now I have no respect for this company, so I'm just gonna call. But hey, if you need a job, you need a job, right? Let's just give them a call. Sometimes it's just about getting that stamp on the resume.
Thank you for calling Dealer Car Search. For sales, press 1. For website change, please hold while I transfer your call.
Good morning. This is Daniel with Dealer Car Search. How can I help you?
Hey Daniel, so this is probably not a call you get very often, but I know you guys are hiring, but when I went to apply to it, I couldn't do it. But I really like what you guys are doing, so I tried to figure out a different way to contact you. basically, I'm just asking, is there anyone I can email directly since the apply now on Indeed for this company doesn't work? Or it's not working for me. It just says can't work.
Let me see. Which position are you applying for?
It'd be the front-end web developer designer position.
And web. Okay. Let's see. And you're trying from Indeed?
Yeah, I click apply now, and then I click submit, and it's not working.
Go to, I'm not sure who gets the emails directly. Go to dealercarsearch.com
Sure.
and to the careers page.
I think I tried this, and it gave me a 401. So this one didn't work. Yeah.
Probably need somebody to fix it. Let me see. So I've got your phone number is 385.
Okay, sounds good.
I think.
Okay, so basically he just caller ID'd the shit out of me. But let's see if this works. Hopefully no Google. He caller ID'd the shit out of me. He's like, this is Josh Fluke, and I'm like, fuck. 385 is a Utah area code, duh. I think I might need to get a fake number. Yeah, but the thing is, I have Google Voice, but it still pulls my number, right? So it's like, he's just gonna call me back. He's just gonna call me back, and it's gonna just be a giant, whatever. Anyways, so as you guys can see, this is what you do. You call in, and there you go, right? Like, basically, he was getting, so what you didn't hear when I muted it was that he's like, all right, your number is blah 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 and you're Josh Fluke, and then yeah, pretty much he's gonna call me back and be like, hey, thanks for wasting our time. But essentially you can call in, right? I was like, this didn't work and this didn't work, and he was gonna give me the email to email somebody. So, you know. Let me think about a different way to go about this going forward, because I don't want to be caller ID'd and have them do this and then get them all pissed off, right? I have a Google Voice. Let me pull that up. But I think my name's attached to it. Block his number. Good idea, fam. Let's block that shit. How do I, let's see. Block that number. All right. Boom, done. Fire RTC. Call with no number. *67. Does that cost money? I'm not trying to piss anyone off, okay? I'm really not trying to piss anyone off, but at the same time, garbage anyway, so it doesn't matter. It will show up on there and it is unknown. All right, we'll do *67 then. But anyways, as you can see, just call in and be like, yeah, I can't apply. Is there someone I can email directly? Boom. Skip all that. Let's do it again. If I can do this, you can do this. And I don't, All right, here's one. Sonic Electronix. Here you go. So what is this? Full stack PHP software dev. Anonymous caller ID in the settings. Yeah, I guess we could do that. Hey, what can I do if I can't do... What? What are you talking about? You a master of getting jobs? I don't know about any of that, but I think maybe I'm more adept at skipping all of the bureaucratic stuff. Alrighty then. Keanu Reeves? Keanu is the new meta, basically. So once we get someone to answer, we ask for what specifically? HR? Boy, you've been here, you've been watching this since the beginning of the stream, and not once have I asked for HR. Why in the fuck would you ever ask for HR? Do not ask for HR. Ask for an email of someone you can directly email. Why you want to talk to HR? HR is going to be like, oh, well, I see that you didn't actually complete your degree by. Whereas if you're talking to the CTO, you'd be like, yeah, I don't actually have the degree. And be like, all right, well, can you do this thing? We'll just, check your skill. Come on, man. Do not ask for HR. KFC's hiring. Y'all want some fried chicken? I want to know the exact words to say. There is no exact words to say. I'm not going to write you a script to call, dude. You got to feel them out. You got to vibe them out. You see how he called me. You see how he called me out on this, basically? You see how basically the guy was like, oh, well, go to our website and go to the careers page and try there, right? Obviously, I didn't check that, and it probably works. But I'm like, yeah, that didn't actually work. Is there someone? He's like, oh. I was like, yeah, it gave me a 401, right? Try to hit him with that jargon that he probably doesn't understand. And then, can I get that email? He's like, oh, well, here, all right, well, let me get your callback number, blah, 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 blah. Boom, done, right? All right, so we'll do it again. If I give you a script, like you want to figure out a way to get an email for somebody or a phone number for somebody. Good luck getting a phone number, but like email, probably. How do you reach the CTO? You just keep asking for someone to email directly because you can't apply. Like I just literally made this up today. Like I've just decided we're just going to try this out. Got the interview next day. I passed starting C# job July 1st. Yeah, exactly. Good. See, good work. Skip HR. Skip HR streams. That's what I'm going to start calling this. I need to make a Patreon because I feel like this is valuable, except it's not directly monetizable. Okay, so we were going to call this Sonic Electronix, right? So, hold on. Let's put this side by side. We'll do Sonic Electronix over here. So that way I got the application here. Oh, that's not the right one. Sonic Electronix. So I got the job application up, and here. How do you improvise on the spot? I mean, you just gotta do it, I guess. I don't know if there's no real. It takes experience. It's gonna be real awkward. Monetize the phone call scripts. Josh showing us the end game moves. This isn't even my final form, fam. You guys want to see hustle? Like, if this didn't work, I'd be like, well, can I come in and talk to somebody? Because I think this is really cool. Like, just don't let the pedal up on the floor, man. And if they're like, well, bro, we don't do this. All right, well, then don't. Then don't do it. Like, if you're pushing them and it turns them off, great. But, like, if you can do it in an authentic way, whatever. Show us hustle. I mean, if this ain't hustle, You don't want it. All right, let's give him a little ring-a-ding-a-ling here. Closes at 7. Sonic Electronics. Here we go. Star 67 before I forget.
Thank you for calling Sonic Electronics, the X Factor when shopping for electronics.
The X Factor.
Please listen carefully as our menu options may have changed. To place a new order, press 1. For help with an existing order, press 2.
Help, I guess. Here's the phone number.
For non-technical support questions, such as to check the status of an order, press 1. For tech support on products purchased from us, press 2. To return an item or check the status of a return, press 3. For credit card or address verification, press 4. Our support team is ready to troubleshoot your issue. Please have your vehicle information and order number ready while you're waiting. Just as a reminder, this service is only available to Sonic Electronics customers.
Your call is now first in the queue, and a representative will
What
be
the hell is
with
this
you shortly.
outsourced garbage? I'm pretty sure this is going to be outsourced as shit. Do you have time to code doing YouTube? I code my website, but I don't code to code. I press 2 for tech support. So they're going to ask for my number, probably. Y'all guys want to see how to get a regular, like, minimum wage job? I'll show you how to do it. I'll call up a Wendy's right now and be like, hello, I came in yesterday. You told me to call and speak to the manager and that you would bring me on. Watch me. I'll do it. We'll do it.
You can always check out our knowledge page for great articles
that
and
was about to go live.
diagrams, or our YouTube channel for awesome instructional videos.
Guys, they got a YouTube
Your
channel.
call is now first in the queue, and a representative will be with you shortly.
So what if you really wanted to level up your game? Oh my god, that is so loud. What the hell? It went from like 0 to hero real quick. Check out their YouTube channel. Doesn't even come up in SEO. That's really bad. Well, I'm first in queue, but no one wants to talk to me. So if you really wanted to level... I'm going to get demonetized for that 2 seconds. If you really want to level up, you go and look at this. What do you do when you have a bad degree? Just put it on there. Doesn't mean anything anyways.
You can always check out our knowledge base for great articles and diagrams, or our YouTube channel for awesome instructional videos.
205K?
Your call is now
Holy
first
shit.
in the queue, and a representative will be with you shortly.
I don't think they're going to answer, probably because the star 67 did. Be my guess. I wonder why this doesn't come up. I also wonder why that they have 205,000 subs, but 7,000 views on this. That's really bad, really, really bad conversion. Yeah, I'm putting my phone way over here. Like, it's like 2 feet away from the mic. It's still really loud. What did they do? I bet they had like one viral video. Yeah, they have. Yeah. Here's how they got 200,000 subs right here. 2 million, 1.9 million.
Your call is now first in the queue, and a representative will be with you shortly.
Is it, well, you just not like, is it just 10 a.m.? What are you getting? Freaking McDonald's breakfast right now? Answer the phone. All right, new company here. Dude, try motorcycle companies. It doesn't work. Motorcycle companies are too big. You're going to get lost in an automated phone call for 3 hours before you get to anybody. You can't, this doesn't work with huge companies. because it's a huge company. You are cock blocked by HR real hard at huge companies. Tell us how to fill a CV, because where I learned how to fill CV, there are tell your grades, tell why you want to apply. I have 5-year experience. That's not how you fill it out. Is software engineering better in the U.S.? Define better. You get paid more, but hey, healthcare costs more. Taxes are lower, but hey, healthcare costs more. Hey, you get paid better, but everything else costs more. All right, so this isn't working. We have to find another job. But here we go. Community College Consortium, $65 an hour. Let's take a look at this one. Let's look at this. This is in Indiana. Probably 9 o'clock. Yeah, they should open. Oh, should we give this call? We got to give this company a call here. I feel like what I'm doing right now is some Gary Vee level stuff, and I don't have enough views. It doesn't feel nice, but hey, whatever. Maybe it'll go viral. The guy texted me. The guy from Dealer Car Search texted me. Let me see if my number's on here. But yeah, the guy texted me. The guy that I just called for this Dealer car search, he texted me. He said, "Not sure if you hung up or if I lost you, but you can send your resume to this guy." So here you go. Look, I'll show you right now. I just want to make sure my number's not on here. Full screen. So we got an email to directly text someone, or so now I could probably look up his name. Now I could probably look him up on LinkedIn and get more info. Oh, so you were found out. No, I was not found out. We weren't found out. He just texted me because I hung up in the middle of the call. And he said, "Here's the guy you can email." Oh, hold on. Come on. Come on. Oh my God, why is this not working? Phone is too bright. That work? There you go. You can see it there. Not sure if you hung up or if I lost you, but you can send your resume to this guy right here. There you go. That's how you do it. That's how you get a job, chat. You just call them up. I'm gonna clip this and I'm gonna post it. But yeah, so anyways, so that's how you get an email to a job, and that's how you skip HR. The grades matter? No, grades don't matter. I think my dogs are outside eating my neighbor's dog, so I'm gonna go get them inside real quick. I'll be right back. Let's talk about Josh, chat. All right. So here, we'll do it again. This is Walker Edison. I believe this was the job post for it. Here, product manager. How do you celebrate getting your first job? I mean, I guess you don't. Where can I learn React? I believe Tyler McGinnis is good. Oh, wait, I don't have my affiliate link for them yet. Don't go there. Is 2.4 GPA good enough to land a job? No one cares about your GPA. And if they do, you don't want to work with them, because your GPA is your ability to pass a code test. Woohoo. Woo. Great. I mean, not code test, but just like a test. Memorize stuff to pass a test in class. Great work, everybody. It's not what you're doing on the job. I'm going to pull up Stack Overflow and Google the answer. All right. So product manager, you can see here, this is what we got. So ability to work. I mean, I haven't done a lot of, like research at this company, but what I would do would, can you let me know what the email is? I live in Louisville, and you want to send yours. Yeah, James. Ping me on Discord. Why don't I have like 4,000 viewers right now? It's not fair. It's whatever. I'll get there. I just want to provide massive value because I feel like there's so many other people that could benefit from this. Okay, Walker Edison. Here we go. Product manager. Let's give him a ring-a-ding-a-ling. How to get into UI UX? You just go to Behance or Dribble, and then try to redesign some stuff you see from there. Can you try a remote job? Why? There's not going to be a phone number to call a remote job because there's not going to be a company office to call. Dude, what up, Dino? Where was it? I'm looking for, I had it pulled up here. Here we go, right here. So it should be open. Call these live streams ring-a-ding-a-linging. Dude, definitely. I'm going to put a shirt that says ring-a-ding-a-ling here. All right. Hello, my name is Arthur Dent, and I'm calling about your product manager position. Just rehearsing a little bit.
Hello, my name is Arthur Dent, and I'm calling about your product management position. I think I'd be a great fit in the company.
He's gonna be like, bro, this guy just called me, sounded like Herbert from Family Guy. That's gonna make his Monday. Which one do you think we should do?
You sound like you're a stunning, fine young man. Thanks for taking my call.
Good morning. What up? Herbert? No, dude, they're not. They're probably gonna laugh on the phone. Okay. All right. We'll do it. I'll do it once. Pull out Morty. I never tried to do Morty. I feel like I would need my voice to crack a lot more to be able to do Morty. Maybe. I don't know. I would need a little bit of practice first, but I sound like I'm actually 13, still in puberty. That's not good. Nobody wants that. Do Rick. Hey, I don't know. I haven't really tried to do Rick. Bob from Bob's Burgers. I can't. I've never tried Morty. I don't know if this sounds like Morty. Rick, does it sound like Morty?
I don't know, Morty. Morty, shut up.
No, Rick, no. I don't know. I can't do it. This is my first time I ever tried. Batman?
Where is he?
Sounds like Morty cut his throat. I've never tried any of these voices. What's a fair salary? 50K? Brawly? I don't know. How old is your audience? Dude, I don't know. Everyone likes a good time, though. Just ping you on Discord? Thanks. Yeah, dude. Got you, James. Alright, we're gonna... give him a call. I don't know. Maybe we'll go with overly excited man.
Napoleon Dynamite? I mean, I guess. I'm really excited about your job posting, and you can just call me critical pretty much.
Do Herbert for the minimum wage job. Oh God. I don't want these streams to be troll streams, that's not why I'm doing it. I'm actually trying to help you get to HR or past HR. What's your opinion on UI UX? I mean, I guess it's good. Hello, I'm applying to Walker Edison Furniture for your Okay, I'm gonna do it. We'll do it live. Herbert. All right, we'll go Herbert for once. I have a mechanical engineering degree.
Thanks for calling Walker Edison. This is Jenna.
Hey, so I tried to apply to a job that you have opening, but I couldn't do it. It was on Indeed for the product manager, and it's not letting me apply. So I looked up what you're doing, and I was just wondering if maybe there's someone I can email directly instead. No matter what I do, I can't submit my resume.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Let me transfer you over to her. Just one second. What was your name?
My name is Arthur.
Human Resources Department.
All right, so that one went a lot faster than I thought. I'm just gonna hang up here. She's probably gonna call me back. She sounded too nice, dude. She sounded way too nice. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna. I'll do it. I'll do it for like a garbage company, like Dealer Car. They're gonna look me up. Well, how are they gonna look me up? I told my name was Arthur. All they got is my phone number. Did you block her name? No, but I didn't want her to be like, your number is, because I forgot to do star. Okay, hold on a second. There we go. What's the stream all about? It's about calling in.
Hello, my name is Arthur, and I was wondering if you
You broke her heart. Oh, she sounded way too nice, dude. I should have asked her if she's trying to slide through. Trying to come through. All right, look. They're not prank calls. That's not what we're doing here. We're just calling companies to get past HR, because otherwise you're stuck applying online and waiting for them. Why not go directly to them? It's not supposed to be a meme stream. That's not what this is about. It's fun to do it occasionally, but it's, you got to provide that value. All right. Let's see. Where else should we apply? Let's do another. Are you looking for a job on livestream? Yeah, I mean, we're really calling places, and I already got one email to apply directly to send it to somebody so I can skip everything. Nice hair? Hey, thanks, dude. It lives its own life. Do you work out at the gym? I work out in the kitchen, lifting spoons. Memphis, Tennessee. I don't know. I can't promise React. I'm just calling companies. John hits me with the 99 cents. Hey, thanks, man. I appreciate you. Never got an interview through Indeed. I got plenty of interviews through Indeed, but you wanna call in. Junior.net, entry level software, Reviture. Ugh. You want to call Reviture? Because Reviture is a garbage boot camp, and they're hiring. Here, look. Here's Reviture. This is the place that teaches you how to code and then caps you at $20. So I'm going to ask a whole bunch of questions. How about we do that? I'm about to call them out. I thought Reviture required a bachelor's. No, they don't. Okay, let's see. I doubt they're going to have like a contact us. Oh, they do. They have a phone number. Right here. Suitable candidates are encouraged to apply immediately. Yeah, you want to know why? It's because basically they're charging the client $100 and paying you $20. Reviture requires a heartbeat and willingness to be pimped out to companies. All right, sure. Here's the number. Where's the place here? Guys, if you enjoy the stream and you've got some entertainment out of it, maybe hit thumbs up. I appreciate it. Maybe drop a dono since I can't monetize this. The stream is all going to be all kinds of demonetized. Why is your website made by WordPress? Why would it not be made by WordPress? Why would I spend the time and effort to code everything from scratch when I need to be making money? By the time I finish coding everything from scratch, I'd be homeless. Get out of here. Just kidding. Love you, bro. How do we identify when companies are saying BS? Yeah, you know. I bought a mug from your merch store. That should work. Hey, thanks, dude. Already thumbed up. Appreciate you. WG software development degree? Yeah, hard pass on WGU. I actually worked at WGU. I worked at the top. Dude, you've got to try a big one. I'm telling you that there is no phone numbers for huge companies. You'll get stuck in HR. That's why I'm not doing this. You don't want to work at a big company anyways. Do you want to be employee number 4? Do you want to have your idea get put in the trash can as soon as you acknowledge it? Because big companies are the way to go if you like that. Do you genuinely enjoy programming anymore? I don't program to enjoy programming if I solve problems. You know what I mean? And if it requires programming, then I enjoy whatever process it takes to get from the 0 to the problem solved or the thing that I want to make. So it's not, I don't just sit and, oh man, I really love VS Code today. Wow, look at the syntax, guys. Holy crap. Oh my God, look at this. I just got a new theme. It's called Moakai, but it's a different version than what you, like, I don't care. I don't care about like programming to program. I just want to code from 0 to problem solve, and I enjoy that process. If it requires code, great. I'll do it. VS Code just got a new update, guys. Let's talk about it. Are you guys excited? Oh my God. Welcome to the stream. Like, come on. All right, well, we're gonna call Revit here. Would you call Comcast a big company? Comcast is all over the United States, so if it's like a, you know, huge company. You really on that grind. I'm trying to get to 100K by July 17th. That's my birthday. Hey, what up, girl? Hey, what you doing? I'm trying to work at that Revit right now. I know you want that 0 to 3 years experience, but I got some experience for you, girl. What you doing after this phone call? Why don't you give me them digits? Let's see. Do you leak code? Why would I leak code? You went for information systems major? Can you get a software engineer job? Of course. Do you ever game? I played Realm Royale yesterday for like an hour with some dudes on Discord. Last video, open your eyes. Okay. Well, hold on. I forgot my star 67. I'm not trying to get doxxed today. Should we do it? I'm just gonna be regular Josh from Atlanta. Or what should I be? This is really live. What up, dude? What's up? Are you gonna play Classic WoW? I don't want to sell. I don't want to.